Okay, so we've got a 2021 Hyundai Staria-Load. It's a 2.2 turbo diesel van, automatic, travelled only 25,000 kilometres. Might just open up the tailgate here. Plenty of space inside, certainly in good condition. Got the dual sliding doors. Big screen inside. I'll take you for a tour inside. Good set of tyres, front and rear parking sensors and cameras. Then we've got the side cameras there too. Take a look at the interior. So we've got the cruise control, Bluetooth connectivity, dual airbags, digital dash, 25,000 Ks, a big colour screen, that climate air conditioning, and yes, it's automatic. The interior seat trim, that's all in excellent condition. Front passenger also very good. And certainly the interior also in excellent condition. All inquiries are welcome. Please give us a call.